We'll start with Chulbul tells questions. Okay,
Good
Maulik?
morning, everyone. This is Spaghetti Shaker. Nice to meet you very well. And today we're going to do 4th grade 3 CBSE quiz about the chapter Chulbul's Tale.
Okay, what is the first question? Chulbul is a
Squirrel, true.
true? It's true, yeah. Chulbul is a squirrel. Okay?
If you read it, you're very
Yeah, it's correct answer. Let's go to the next question.
yes.
Chulbul is described as naughty and
Lively, true.
true. It's true?
True.
Yes, Chulbul is described as naughty and lively. Next question. Chulbul sits on the branch and munches walnut at the start of the story.
True.
True? Okay, yes, that's correct answer. Chulbul is happy with her tail and never thinks about changing it.
False.
Yes. Chulbul looks at her tail and thinks, what good is tail like this, and decide to change it. Okay.
Yes.
Who does Chulbul decide to visit to change her tail?
Dr. Bombo the bear.
Dr. Bombo the bear. Yes, that's the correct answer. In the hospital, there is a cupboard containing different tails, legs, and ear.
True.
Yes, that's correct answer. Which tail did Chulbul choose first?
Monkey tail.
Monkey tail? Why not cat tail?
Cat tail, like, what's the monkey tail he choose? Because he
Okay.
saw monkey tail first.
Okay, yeah, that's the correct answer. She chose the monkey tail first. After getting the monkey tail, Chulbul found it is easy to run and climb like before.
False.
False. Why it's false?
Because
Because
the monkey tail
she
was
found it hard to walk and could not climb.
it made
It
her
made her heavy. That's why it was not good for her. Chulbul returns to Dr. Bombo to ask for a lighter tail.
true.
True, yes. She went to Dr. Bombo and she asked for the one lighter one. Okay, Malik?
Yes.
Which tail did Dr. Bombo fit on the Chulbul after removing the heavy one?
Cat tail.
The cat tail. Look like that the correct answer? Yes, that's the correct one. While Chulbul had the cat tail, a dog mistook her for a cat and chased her.
Yes.
You
True.
think it's correct?
True.
Yes. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, your answer is correct. Let's go to the next question. After being chased by the dog, Chulbul realizes her original tail was better.
True.
Yes, that sounds to be a correct answer. What does Chulbul ask Dr. Bombo to do at the end?
Give her back her own tail.
Why not this or the answer? No, this is the correct answer. The correct answer is give her back her own tail. That sounds good. Next question. At the end, Chulbul walks home singing about her tail.
True.
Yes, that's the correct answer. My tail is the best. My tail is the best. Okay.
I
Fill in the blanks. Chulbul filled the monkey tail was too
heavy.
heavy. Yes. Next question. The cat tail made a dog think Chulbul was a
Cat.
cat. That's correct answer. यहाँ पे है. True and false. Dr. Bombo scolded Chulbul when she complained about tails. That's the correct answer. Which word best describes Chulbul from the story?
Naughty.
Naughty. Yeah. Nauggsty. Naughty. Okay, you have to also remember the spelling Maulik also. Nauggsty. Nauggsty. Okay.
Okay.
Fill in the blanks. Chulbul tried to climb the tree, but she kept
Falling.
falling every time. Yes, that's the correct answer. Chulbul finally accepted that her own tail was the best for her.
True.
True. Yes, that's the correct answer. Next question. Who is the illustrator of the book? Sanjay Sarkar. I know that. And this is the answer. Let's drop this. This is not needed. What lesson we learn from the Chulbul tale? Be happy with what you have. Teacher might ask you this question. What lesson you learned from the Chulbul tale? You have to give the answer. Be happy with what you have. Let's see how much answer we got. Let's see what is our score. Okay, the story mentioned Chulbul sometime stand on her two little legs and chase bird.
True.
True, yes. That's correct. And the next question. Quiz complete. And your score is 24 out of 24.
Let's go.
Review all question. That's it. We are good. Okay? Yes. That's done. Thank you, Molly.